how many clients have you worked for, and just to know?
Currently, if you talk about global clients based on US, near about a dozen clients I've done.
Dozen clients. And
Yeah,
even as a student, like we could count you as a
exactly.
student, right? As for
Yeah, yeah.
student, for a student who's studying even BCom or CA, it is possible.
Hello.
Hi,
Hi, Abhyuday. How are you?
I'm good. How are you? Thanks for joining.
I'm great. Yeah. Hello,
Where are you?
everyone.
Bangalore?
Yeah, I'm in Bangalore now, currently. Yeah.
Great. So, when did you give you? So, tell us about your work. Are you working in Indian firm? Are you what? How do you operate? When did you graduate? And have you cleared your CAs? What's the plan?
Yeah. Currently, I'm doing my MBA here at Christ University, along with CA and CMA finals. This November, I gave my attempt, and then expecting results on Jan first week. So on the go, I'm also like taking up clients here and there on audit works or bookkeeping, accounting, these things. I do.
So are you doing some tax work or some bookkeeping work for US?
Yeah, exactly. Both India and US. Like US, like on a marginal scale, but yeah, I do that.
Very nice. So can you tell us about what kind of assignments you do?
Initially, I got some skills relating to the bookkeeping aspect, and then a little bit of corporate compliance in US. So the first client which came to me was an AI development company. So they wanted an Indian company based in India, but then they wanted a US presence. So I created a company and then taking care of their bookkeeping.
So if you know US work, that means that you can do work for US Indian companies going to US also.
Exactly.
Do they pay better for US work?
Sorry?
Do they pay better for US work?
Yeah, comparatively, yeah.
Compared to what they pay for Indian work?
Pay for Indian, more. Exactly. That is much better.
Great. Because they know that in India I can have competition, I can negotiate rates, but in US the competition is with US CPAs who will charge more. So, and if I make a mistake, I'm out of that market, right?
Yeah.
Great. So tell us, how did SkillArbitrage help you? Achha, also, do you do finance work? One of your clients asked you to take up finance and books and tax in US, right?
Yeah, exactly. Something related to preparing legal documents was also there. We do like little bit of financial reporting. Basically, they provide us with the books. I generate the profit loss, balance sheet, and cash flow statements. I haven't filed any income tax returns per se now in the US, like federal or state income taxes, but I do take care of their GST compliances here in India.
Wow. So US bookkeeping and GST in India.
Yeah.
Fabulous. Great. Tell us, how did SkillArbitrage help you?
Firstly, I would say the networking part, where the guidance was given how to put ourselves there out in LinkedIn or Upwork or Fiverr, whatever freelancing websites are available.
So which freelancing sites do you use?
Primarily LinkedIn. I tried Upwork, but then I do maintain an Upwork profile, but I rarely visit that.
LinkedIn is giving you sufficient flow of clients.
Yeah, exactly. Since I'm also studying now, so only on minimum scale I'm focusing on the business aspect of this.
Got it. So you are managing your studies and you are also doing some work to the extent time permits.
Exactly.
And were you working more earlier before your exams?
Yeah, kind of. Yeah.
Okay. One question I want to ask you. So, how many clients have you worked for, and just to know?
Currently, if you talk about global clients based on US, Near about a dozen clients I've done.
Dozen clients, and
Yeah.
even as a student, like we could count you as a
Exactly.
student, right? As for
Yeah,
student, for a student who's studying even BCom or CA, it is possible
Yeah,
to get success.
exactly.
Super, very good. How did skill arbitrage help you? You said in networking, and I want to share one. I want you to share the tip on LinkedIn. Like his strategy on LinkedIn has been, if you check his LinkedIn profile, he's been posting insights about what he's learning, and he doesn't have to say I learned this in a course. He just says this is what the business needs to do to register in
Exactly.
US. This
Exactly.
is what compliance you need to do as a US business. This is
I
what
mean, like,
shares.
the assignments you guys do give, make us point us towards that. The post which
Sorry.
you mentioned now. I added a little bit flavor. The assignments that you give, right, in the skill arbitrage or the other that you offer, like want us to do these kind of networking things. The little bit of flavor that I added clicked somewhere to someone, and then it slowly grew. My clientele grew.
Got it. So
that
if you're doing the assignment, and in the assignment we say after you do it, please post about it on LinkedIn. So if you do that, then you can get results.
Exactly.
And how much time did it take you to get your first work when you did this?
Exactly.
In how much time did you get
I was a bit
first
lucky
work?
there. I was a bit lucky there. The first assignment was about incorporating a company in Delaware. The little twist I gave it was I made a video out of it and then uploaded it in the LinkedIn. In the morning I uploaded. In the evening I had a contact with a client. I mean, not the client at that point of time, but we set up a meeting. Like a lead, exactly. A lead, which later developed into a client. So I was a bit lucky there. And then the referrals grew, regular postings, regular inquiries come, and then like how you talk, how you maintain a clientele relationship. They refer people.
So I can tell everybody one trick, whether you are a student or not. If you are learning any bookkeeping or accounting skill, you know how to do something, maybe some accounts payable work. You want to explain that flow on a video and write a post, or just write a post also, it's okay, right? And keep doing it steadily for people. Explain, ye galtiyan karte hain log, this is what business owners need, this is what is not available, this is how to do it. Okay, somebody I did it for, experience this benefit. If you've not done it, then don't say that. Then you can keep giving more and more tips and insights, right? And Ritu Joshi wants to ask, how are you managing all the work and all the exams together?
Yeah, it is a bit hectic.
But possible.
An average day I work for 16 to 18 hours. So studies is there, work is there.
But on this remote work, he has to not do more than 2 hours a day.
Exactly, that is there.